Okay, now we're going to work with some scientific notation. Checkpoint 2 has two examples with scientific notation where you take a number. What we want to be able to do here is take the number that's in scientific notation and change it to a decimal number without any exponents. Like this has 10 to the 9th in it. This is negative 2.6 times 10 to the 9th. And you know when you multiply by powers of 10, the number you're multiplying is going to get larger. In essence, you're adding zeros in front of the decimal point. So what I like to do is to take the number part and write it like that. Just take that and then add a bunch of zeros on the right-hand side. Let's add 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the next thing you do, for every time you multiply by 10, I'm going to multiply by 10 9 times with this, you're going to move the decimal place one place to the right. So let's try this. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the decimal point will end up there instead of there. So we've moved it. So let's write the number down again. I have negative 2, 6, then 1, 2, 3 zeros, another 3, and then another 2. Then once you write all your digits in, to make it more readable, you should go back and put commas in. So I would add a comma, 1, 2, 3 here, comma there, and a comma there, and you end up with negative 2,600,000,000. Second example, we're raising a number. Here in scientific notation, we have a number multiplied by 10 to a negative exponent. And in that case, you should know if you multiply by 10 to a negative 1, you'll end up moving the decimal point to the left rather than to the right. But I like to start these the same way. So let's write 3.0. Actually, excuse me, I'm going to leave some space in front. Leave some space in front and write down 3.017. And then I like to add a number of zeros to the front because the decimal point is going to be moving to the left. So let's add 6 zeros to the front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's move the decimal point. For every time you multiply by negative 1, a power of negative 1, we have 6 of them. You're going to move it one place to the left. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is where the decimal point will end up. Let's rewrite the number. We get 0.000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 0, 1, 7. So that would be the result in decimal form.